I'm Jessica Goedtel, and I'm an Associate Financial Advisor here at Valley National. Today I want to talk to you about non-cash donations and what they mean. So we're going to go over 4 separate topics. First is gifts to thrift shops. Second is non-cash donations over $5,000. Third, we're going to talk about stocks. And finally, we're going to talk about donating vehicles. Let's talk about non-cash donations to places like Goodwill and Salvation Army. So throughout the year, you might donate bags of clothing and other household goods to the thrift shop. Now, the IRS usually lets you deduct the thrift shop value of these items, meaning what the thrift shop is going to turn around and sell those items for. If you're wondering what those values might be, you could go to the Salvation Army's website or Goodwill's website, and they have a great list of resources you can check out. Make sure that you keep track of the name of the organization you donated to, the list of items, and the date that you donated. Keep in mind that all of these items should be in good condition or better to get a tax deduction. So the next topic is going to be items that you donate that are worth over $5,000. If you donate anything over $5,000, you need to get a qualified appraisal, and that qualified appraiser needs to sign a special tax document. There are also special rules depending on what the charity does with that item. So let's say you have a medieval tapestry that you paid $500 for and it's worth $10,000. If you turn around and donate that to your local SPCA and they sell it to pay for their new hurt animals wing, you can actually only deduct what you paid for it, $500, instead of the $10,000 it's actually worth. That's because the charity has turned around and sold it. Now, if they kept it and put it in their new hurt animal wing for display, then you could deduct the full $10,000. You can also donate stocks to your favorite charity. If you've held the stock for a long-term period, meaning more than a year, then you can deduct the fair market value of the stock on the date that it was transferred to the charity. Keep in mind that you may get a receipt from the charity with a different valuation. Make sure you talk to your tax preparer about this. If you've held that stock for less than a year, your deduction may be limited. The last topic we're going to talk about today are donating cars, boats, and other vehicles. If you do choose to donate a vehicle, there's definitely some things you need to keep in mind. Your deduction is going to depend on what the charity actually does with the vehicle. So if they keep the vehicle and use it, or if they donate it to another needy individual, you can deduct the fair market value of that vehicle. If they turn around and sell the vehicle, then your deduction is going to be limited to the amount of money that the charity received for the vehicle. Just so you know, the charity is required to provide you a form that shows you all the details of your donation. This is called a Form 1098-C, and make sure that your charity provides it to you. For additional tax resources, make sure to check out our website, www.valleynationalgroup.com/tax.